Hi everyone, in the previous video I created an account on blogger.com and I named my first blog as Mission Mars. Now it's time to create the first post on blogger.com. So on the top left I will click this button here, create new post, and now at the top here I will give the title to my post, for example, Introduction to Mission Mars. Now all the options for editing are available here as well, where font type, style, all these things related to the font editing you can do. Here is the area where I will write my first blog and I will publish from right top here by clicking this publish button. So an introduction to Mars. Now I can type my blog, my first post here about this title. So I have copied some material. I'll paste here. And as you know, a fair use is that you must mention the source from where you are taking that. So I copied this from this official website of NASA. So I can right click and copy this. And here I can type, I can paste it. And in the beginning, I can type source so that uh, it's a fair use policy actually to mention the source if you are copying something from somewhere. Now, okay, let me just adjust the font size, so normal for everyone here, all the text. And here on the right top, I will click publish. This will publish the post to your blog, so I'll click confirm. Actually, before publishing, you can preview as well. If you click preview post, you can see how it will look, and if you want to do any changes, you can. So this is how it will look once you will publish. Yeah, so it looks good. So I'll go back here and I'll click publish. And if you want to add images and videos, you can do that as well. Here is the option to insert image. Yeah, from your computer you can upload, or from photos or Blogger, and here you can insert a video as well. You can upload, or you can go to YouTube and from there you can bring the video source here as well. So right now I'm going to publish it without images and videos, so I'll click publish and I'll click confirm. And now my first post is published. Now here we have different options as well. We can delete the post, we can view it, so I'll click view. And now this is how the post will look to the audience, and the URL here at the top you can see this is how the URL will be shown, and this URL you can share with your friends and other people as well. So that's how you will create your first post on your blog. Thank you.